Welcome to CET Color's instructional web series on large format digital UV printers. Today we're going to show you how to properly replace a negative pressure pump. Gather your materials. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of diagonal cutters, and the new negative pressure pump. Start by closing all the subtank valves. This is done so that there is no ink loss during the changing of the negative pressure pump. Locate the negative pressure pump. It is located in the back of the printer above the main ink tanks. You will either open a panel or open a drawer in order to access the pumps. The negative pressure pump is the larger silver pump located on the far right. First, disconnect the negative pressure pump plug from the receptacle. You will hear a series of single beep tones indicating a loss of negative pressure. This is normal. Next, dismount the negative pressure pump from the mounting position. Use the Phillips head screwdriver and loosen the mounting screws that secure the bracket. With the negative pressure tubing still attached, remove the pump and the mounting bracket from the mounting position. Align both pumps in the same orientation and observe the negative pressure tubing. Working one at a time with the diagonal cutters, clip the negative pressure tubing off of the old pump and reattach it in the same location on the new pump. Once you have completed both sides of the negative pressure tubing, you are ready to remount the new pump. Use the Phillips head screwdriver and tighten the mounting screws onto the mounting bracket. Plug the pump in at the same location we removed the pump from originally. Now replace the panel or door to the pumps. Go to the computer monitor. Open the CET controller and go to the Control Systems and Configuration page. Press the reset button on the lower right-hand side in the Status of Ink Supply System Vacuum Pump area. This will stop the single beep tone from occurring. The pumps may have to be reset more than once to eliminate the one beep error. And that's how to replace a negative pressure pump on a CET Color large format digital UV printer.